Welcome to EL Connect, the mobile platform that connects hirers like yourself to the job seekers out there in the market. For today's video, we'll be going through the basic functions of the app and how do we create a job post so that job seekers out in the market can apply to your job post to address to your needs. Now let us launch the app and explore some of the functions over here. Once you are in, we'll be at the dashboard view and click on the three bars at the top left hand corner to access the site menu. So these are the functions that we will explore at a later stage. Kindly go back to the dashboard and click on the bell icon to access all the in-app notification that you will be receiving. Next, we'll be clicking on the Manage Jobs icon at the bottom, and this will reveal 4 tabs: the in progress, the upcoming, the completed, and the cancelled job. I will be explaining all of these 4 tabs as we go along this video. Next will be the chat function that you could access to chat with all the applicants that you have awarded. Last will be the profile page where you could update your necessary information over here. Now that I've gone through all the basic functions in the app, let us create a job right now. Click on the Manage Jobs icon and press on the red plus button. For today's example, we will be creating a job post for XYZ Food Chain, as they needed 2 servers at XYZ restaurant. So look at this example, we select F&B as our category, job title, server needed at XYZ restaurant, type in the description for job scope, the arrival instructions, the dress code, and other necessary information. Once done, select on the date, the time, and the duration of the job. Next up will be the vacancies and the price per hour for this job. And lastly, for the address portion, search for the company location and key in the unit number if it's available. Now that you have keyed in everything correctly, click on the submit button and this will reflect the total amount that will be charged for the 2 vacancies that we have just created. Once that the job has been successfully submitted, this will be reflected at your upcoming tab under Manage Jobs, as you can see from here. Congratulations! Now that you successfully learned how to use the app and how to create a job, on our next video, we will show you how to shortlist the many applicants that will be applying your job post. So I shall see you at our next video. Thank you for your time and please like, subscribe and comment.